Tired of the same old Minecraft? Dive into the apocalyptic chaos of DeceasedCraft and host your very own server to survive the undead horde with friends. First, we need to get the essentials. You'll need to download and install Java if you don't already have it. Ensure you're installing the 64-bit version for optimal performance. Next, head over to the DeceasedCraft modpack page on CursorForge. Locate the server files download link. This is crucial for setting up your dedicated server environment. Once downloaded, extract all the contents of the server zip file into a new, dedicated folder on your computer. This will be your server's home. Inside this folder, you'll find the server jar file. This is the heart of your DeceasedCraft experience. Make sure it's the correct version that matches the modpack. Now, let's create a start script. Right-click in your server folder, select New, then text document. Rename this file to start.bat and ensure the extension is bat, not txt. Open this start.bat file with Notepad. You'll need to input a specific command here that tells Java how to run your server. This command will include instructions to allocate memory to your server. After running the server for the first time, a file named EULA.txt will appear. Open this file and change EULA equals false to EULA equals true to accept the Minecraft end user license agreement. Now, delve into the server properties file. This is where you'll customize essential server settings like the server name, game mode, difficulty, and enable or disable specific features relevant to DeceasedCraft. Think of server properties as your control panel. You can tweak almost everything to create the exact DeceasedCraft experience you and your friends desire, from zombie spawn rates to loot tables. To allow your friends to connect, you'll need to configure your router's port forwarding. This involves opening a specific port, typically 25,565, and directing traffic to your computer's IP address. Finally, launch Minecraft with the DeceasedCraft modpack. Install Go Multiplayer, add a server, and enter your server's IP address if you're hosting locally. This will be your computer's IP address. If you're looking to connect from outside your network, you'll need your public IP address. And just like that, you've successfully set up your very own DeceasedCraft server, ready for epic zombie survival adventures with your friends.